So I used recycled metal on the roof and walls of my workshop, which means there's holes in it. And thankfully there's not too many holes, and they're small holes, this holes the size of a screw. So I got some of this Gorilla Outdoor, like all-weather tape, and I found that if I clean off the layer of oxide on the metal, this stuff sticks really well. So it only has to hold to the first like nice warm day of spring, and then I'm going to just slather a bunch of sealant all over this roof, and this will be a nice foundation for it. So I think it's a good way to make it last through the winter. So that's 70 holes covered up, so it's a good amount, but there's still the holes on the ridges here, which I do not have covered up. I'll get those later though, because at the very least, they do have a piece of metal underneath them, so hopefully the water won't go in. But this will entail scraping off all this adhesive, and I'll do that later when it's warmer, because right now it's still actually kind of cold. It's just a few degrees above freezing. I just remembered something else I can do. I can use this shovel to keep the door closed. Found these. It's a good stuff, but at the very least, now I can finally lock the door when I'm inside so the wind doesn't blow it open, because that wind can be pretty gnarly sometimes. Ugh. I think I might clean that up a little bit, sand it down maybe, something like that. But not bad. Oh, this one spot right there. Oh well. Oh, battery's dead. Cut up a couple of those pieces, but then look what I found. I think that is the perfect angle. And I call that it. What's up next to do is to seal up the corners of the building, and then hopefully we can start putting up the walling and the insulation. So that's going pretty quick. Oh, before I forget, I got this from my friend. It's a nice ceiling fan, and it's actually in okay condition. Had a little dirt on it, but never out in the rain or anything, so that's pretty good. Also, I was out in the rain. I got 2 of these, and those will go on the front, and those look so cool. And yes, I did get the glass with them. They have some issues. I opened it up because I thought that was moisture, but it's something else in there. It's been running down. It's very strange. I'll have to clean that up. And these are full of moisture too, so I'm just letting these dry out. But yeah, these are pretty cool. You guys think I should have regular white lights or like red lights out in the front? That'd be kind of cool. I don't know, but these would be on either side of the door. Not bad for free. Oh. Oh. I didn't see that came with the bulb. Interesting. Nice. I also got a half of an old rotary switch. I'm going to go back and dive through the dumpster again to see if I can find the rest of it, because it's a nice old ceramic rotary switch from the 1900s or early 1900s. You know, I'm kind of surprised how much stuff I'm finding in the trash. This is like stuff just falling in my lap. It's so cool. And my friend, who owns a construction company, keeps giving me metal and wood and stuff like that, so it's nice. I'm happy with that. So it looks like we already have enough stuff to go ahead and put some of it towards turning the attic of the house into a room. So that's cool. Like some old nice trim, and the rest of the flooring might go up there, because It's looking like I have a lot more flooring than I'll need, because I have a lot. Oh well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.